In this video, I'm going to show you where it all started and what gave me the vision, the dream of building my empire. Stay tuned. Hi guys, I'm Jay Roberts, Geeky Dad, and this is Building My Empire. Uploading videos daily on how to make money online, helping you build your empire. Hi guys, so what I'm going to talk about today is where it all started and how I got my vision and my dream to build my own empire. So let's get into this. What it was, guys, is my sons asked me to make a YouTube channel and share our journeys, because we kept going on days out and having lots of good times and making memories and that. So they wanted to document it. So at first I thought, don't really want to do that, but then they asked me again and again, and the more I looked into it and thought about it, I thought, yeah, it'd be a good idea that to share our journey. I've created memories together and that. So we decided, because I love movies and my sons love the games and that, we'd make it movies, games, and then we decided we'd show our days out and that. So that was the Beyond part. So we created Movies, Games, Beyond, and as you can see, this is our first ever YouTube channel. And the banner I chose because I like these colours, black, blue and white, and I chose the logo. I designed the logo because of like a lion, like the Lion King, and it's got I always joke around saying that I'm the king, so I put a king on it, and I love lions, so it does go with a movie, doesn't it? Lion King, yeah. So yeah, this is our channel. We made what we did. We made like movies, guess the movies, guess the movie scenes, guess the movie quotes, and we acted along with our friend Dwayne. We made these videos, and over time we made I think it's about 160 videos all in all. We made silly videos like Hot or Not, where they did like Dorito challenges, and we do gaming ones. Documented our like days out, like we went to water parks, we went on holidays, went camping. When we got some gadgets, we unboxed them, like days out, Halloween and that. We put computer games on. We looked after turtles. Whatever we did, basically we did together. We made videos and that. Some of the other stuff we did is we decided to make like a silly news where we were stupid in this. We made like news what was trending, but we made it into like a silly way. Yeah, so we basically documented our days out and holidays, gaming stuff, movie stuff. Did a few reviews about movies and that. Yeah, so but as I looked into it, guys, I thought, right, how can we make this channel grow? So what I did, we did a bit of searching and that, and decided to make a website so we could share our videos. And here's the website with the same name, Movies, Games, Beyond. We basically uploaded our videos onto the website, made a bit of text about it, talking about it. Yeah, and we just continue with YouTube. And as the more I looked into the website, I started to find and realise you can actually make money. I looked into it a bit more and decided that I was going to go down the path of affiliate marketing. And let me find the post. Yeah, so like this one here, I made like a blog about I want to be a YouTuber, a filmmaker, yeah. When I open it up, you'll see what I learned to do. I mean, I'm no expert, but what I learned to do, as I wrote, I put some pictures in, and then linked them up to like Amazon and eBay, places like that. So then if people were to click on these, they could buy them and then I'd make a commission. But then the good thing about Amazon, if they didn't want to buy that and they ended up buying something else, I also made a commission. So basically, because I referred them to the site, and if they purchase, I make a commission. So yeah, what I'd do with the website, I'd make lots of different blogs about like this one, for instance, YouTube, because I'm interested in all this, so I wrote about it. I put the items what I'm interested in buying or might buying, or in this case probably I've bought. So I'd link them up then, and then put all lots of different stuff in it. This were all like all your gadget stuff, like obviously what you'd need to become a YouTuber or a filmmaker. Just seeing if I can find any more. Yeah, and then what I'd also do as well, guys, I'd put adverts down the side here, and a minute, back at the top, I'd have adverts here. Place the adverts there. I'd also place them all down the right hand side, like your web hosting, Patreon, ClickFunnels, more web hosting, some gadgets, and that. I'd also have them right at the bottom here in the footer, and then one across the above the footer. Yeah, I mean, it's not the best looking website. It was the first ever website I made. I made it myself. I didn't get no help. It's not the best looking one. I reckon I can make a better one now that I know what I'm doing. See if I can see. Yeah, this is the one, guys. See, another one, because I'm planning on decorating where I live. I decided I'd put some home like items what I can like buy around the home, like a makeover kind of thing. So I've made a video of it, which I put on YouTube. That goes in like the Beyond part, not the movies or the games. And then I'd go in each room. I put on things what I wanted for the place. Yeah, so I put things like things that I'm interested in, things I liked, and then I'd hook it up with the links, so then people wanted to buy them. I also put on things that I've already got in the place, so then if people wanted to see them, and the good thing is, guys, actually some people bought the stuff. Same with the last post I just showed you. People bought off that as well, and it made me a bit of commissions. Then also I decided, what else could we do? I learned that you can make merch, and I thought we could make some merch. So we created our own site, and obviously Movies Games Beyond. We made lots of different merch: socks, pillows, leggings, phone covers, jumpers, mugs. Then we changed different colours, bags, socks, did Christmassy. So we got lots of stuff. Then I also made another store. This one's like different, so you could do different stuff, upload different pictures, upload different designs, and we made lots of more stuff on this one. This one's a bigger site, or more designs, sorry. Then, the more we looked into it, my son's found a site, or told me about a site called Twitch, and basically, you go here, and you play computer games and you live stream them. And we obviously called this Movies Games Beyond, and we linked our YouTube, our website, our merch all onto each other, so then everyone could, if we got fans from one place, we can find them in the other place. And you can also, like say, add your merch here, so then people buy it. Like if they click on your affiliate link, same with any of you. If you've got a good setup like your PC or microphone and stuff like that, you can also link that onto your page here as affiliate link. So this is why I like affiliate marketing, guys, because you can do it everywhere, on nearly every site, every platform. You can do it on your Instagram, your Pinterest, your Facebook, you name it, guys. You could do it everywhere. So as I look more and more into it, guys, I decided that I want to step it up a little bit, and I wanted to over the year, I wanted to do business. I wanted to help people with the business, whereas the movies part is mine and my son's and my friend Dwayne's little project, and it's not really a business. It's more of a hobby. Even though I'm earning little bits of money here and there, it's not my business. It's just a hobby. And last year, nobody thought we could get it to 100 subscribers. I ended up getting it to 768 before YouTube did something and then got rid of loads of our subscribers, and it went down to 300. No, it went down to 200 and odd. So then I kind of lost a bit of heart for it then, and then I thought, right, I'm going all in on the business side. So I got, because of my dream and passion and my vision, I decided to create Building My Empire, where I'm going to concentrate on the business side, and I'm going to grow the business, and I'm going to create a good future for my sons, which I explained in the first ever video on this channel. Then recently, guys, Movies Games Beyond started getting subscribers, and now it's up to 651. Now I've not released any videos on this channel since Christmas time, so all of a sudden it's taking off again. So it's still only a hobby, and what my plans are, I'm going to build my business, and then once I've got a bit of funds, I'm going to invest in this. Still as a hobby, but I'm going to invest in it, and I'm going to buy gear and stuff that I can make the videos better. So then I can also hire people. I'll be able to hire people, and then they can be like actors and actresses, and then they can do the videos. I can do the recording, which I enjoy doing, and the editing, and then I can make more videos, because we're getting a bit much at the time, guys. I was like relying on my sons and my mate. So that now with my business, I can do all that on my own, and I can work hard at it. And then once, like I said, once the money starts rolling in, I can invest little bits into this, my little side project, and where me and my sons can have fun and that. So yeah, but as it gets closer to 1,000 subs, this, and the 4,000 watch hours, which is what you need, guys, for monetizing your YouTube channel. So that's 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 minutes watch time, which it seems quite a lot, but it's doable, guys. I mean, this is all like a year old, probably like a year and a month old now, guys, and I've got 651 subs. And if you look at the videos, they're not the best, to be fair, but people didn't think we'd get past 100, and we got close to 1,000 within the first year. So it's definitely doable, guys. But what I'm getting at, guys, is this is getting closer to being able to get monetized, but I don't think it's going to pass it, because of all the games we've got on it. They might get done. We might get like saying no, it's copyright. So time will tell, guys. I'll keep you updated on that journey, let you know if it gets 1,000 subs and it gets monetized, etc. If it does get monetized, then we'll be able to put adverts on the videos, which I know they're annoying, but they can help bring revenue towards this channel to help support this. So yeah, guys, if you're interested in any of this, watching some funny videos, getting to know me and my boys and my mate a bit more, then please check the channel out. It's called Movies Games Beyond, and if you search it on Google, you'll find lots of it, because no one else is called Movies Games Beyond, so we come up all the time. Same with, if you want to go on Twitch, add us on Twitch. If you want to play some games, happy to do that. Check out our merchandise. Check out our website, guys, if you want. But by all means, subscribe and comment below, guys, if you're interested in checking it out, or if you have checked it out, or if you've heard about it before. Let us know in the comments below, please, guys. And if you've not already done so, guys, please subscribe and hit the notification bell, so then you'll be notified of any other future videos we release, which at the moment is daily, all about making money and building our future. No, building our empire. I'll get used to that, guys. So that being said, guys, I'm going to cut this video off now, and until next time, guys, see you next.